Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually share a Google slide in Zoom. Yes, a Google slide in Zoom. I'm going to be guiding you through that particular section. Right, so I want to bring up the Zoom here. While I bring up the Zoom, we're going to start a meeting with it immediately here. So while we actually start a meeting here in Zoom, we want to actually share, right, the Google Meet. So we actually have it here open already. Right, so very important. Right, so I have it open already, so we can actually come here, and this is the one that we actually want right here. So you can actually right click here. You can come up right here and say open in Google Slide. I have it just like that. So while I have it like this, so we're going to bring up the zoom. So while I have the zoom up, we're going to click right here, screen sharing. So when you click on the screen share, right, if you notice all of these are what? I click right here on the screen. I'm going to click share. Right, you notice this is the presentation right here. Right, another scene, you notice it actually still loading. Right, so in order for you to do a presentation mode, what you can do, you're going to come right here and click on represent. So when you click on represent, you're going to actually bring up the screen. Bring up the big screen, now you can actually take your time, go through your presentation and view your presentation, see exactly how you can actually handle the presentation, right? And if you notice right here, showing that communication, I can use the down arrow and click to go to a different slide. You notice, I can click the down arrow. If I want to go back up, I'm going to press up arrow, and all that, and this is exactly how we do the presentation here in Zoom, and all of that. And if we want to minimize the presentation, we can click escape key, right? And escape key will take it down like this, right? But if you want, you can do it another way, right? So let me stop here and do it another way in Zoom. You can actually click here and share again. Again, click on advanced here, right? And then click on portion of the screen right here. And click on share, right? So this itself now actually bring up a section in which student can only see exactly what inside of the box, right? So if I shape it up like this, they only can see exactly what in the box. You can't see nothing outside. So you can use right here and 30. So they will see everything inside the box. But if I come right here and I shift it over here, they will see this. But if I put my cursor right here on the left side of the mouse and come, then you can see what's inside here. So you, as a presenter, can see what coming next. You can actually look over and see what coming next. And if it is not what you want next, you can actually click this, right? And notice it actually show up here. So you can both see here and there. I can also click right here. So this is a nice feature in which you can actually see the next slide coming and all of that. So very important. So we can actually come right here and we can actually stop it. And we're going to close the Zoom meeting by clicking right here. And that. So very important that you pay close attention to that particular area there.